Here's to a healthier me with these must-haves for healthy days. The Oura Ring 4 gets me going in the morning. The Ring, along with the Oura membership, helps me prioritize my long-term health goals. It tracks more than 30 biometrics, so I get personal insights that help me know what my body needs. The design is so sleek and it's so comfortable, I didn't even realize I'm wearing it. Healthy days need healthy meals. The Ninja Detect Power Blender Pro whips up the smoothest smoothies and so much more. BlendSense technology detects and adjusts blending time, speed, and pulses for perfectly smooth results. The Withings Body Smart Scale keeps me honest with advanced body composition. I get a comprehensive view of my body with metrics like body fat, water percentage, and all the masses, muscle mass, bone mass, and lean mass. And data from every weigh-in appears automatically via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth in the Withings app. Lastly, I approach every day with a clean cut, thanks to Manscaped, the Lawnmower 5.0 Ultra Essentials Kit. It comes with the Ultra Electric Trimmer to trim, shave, and shape, plus the Crop Soother Aftershave Lotion for the best below-the-waist shave. I'm feeling better already.